What's up, guys? Today's not, or today's video is not the kind of video I would want to make. So about 5 days ago, it was this past Saturday. We had a wreck. We crashed, guys. So we are rebuilding. It's going to be a slow process, but we are going to rebuild. I'm not really that hurt. A little bruised up, but that was about it. It was a low speed crash, and yeah, so that's what happened. So what had actually happened was, me and some buddies was headed down to a car meet. So we went to get off of the highway and get onto another highway, and the exit that we took had some loose gravel. So when we took the exit, me and another guy, there was 4 of us, me and another rider was in the back, and I unfortunately did not see the loose gravel, and I was the unlucky one that hit it. So yeah, it caused me to high side. It messed the bike up a little bit. It ended up slinging me off into the ditch, so I wasn't really hurt, but the bike did get a little messed up. The bike did get a little damaged. It's gonna need new fairings. I'm gonna try to repair the gas tank, take it to a body shop and have them pull some dents out of it, because it did get dented up. But if I can't do that, then I'm just going to buy another gas tank, and I'm gonna go with some forged carbon fiber fairings from Monster Fairings. So those should come with a tank cover. If I can't get the tank perfect, it'll be covered up anyway, as long as I can get it at least pulled out most of the way to where it don't look all janky, and and so if something happens, I drop the bike at any given time, it doesn't just bust the tank cover. And then I'm also going to get a different exhaust system. I'm done with the M4. The M4 is gone. I actually sold it to my buddy that rides the CBR. We fabbed it up onto his bike. So yeah, I'm not sure what exhaust I'm going to go with. If there's any recommendations, drop them down in the comments below. Be more than happy to take a look and see y'all's suggestions on exhaust. I want to try to squeeze as much power out of this bike as possible. So yeah, I've looked at Graves. Let's see, they've got just the Graves Works, and then I believe it's the Graves Works 2. Maybe it's one's the shorter, like GP style, I guess you could say, and then the other one is a full length titanium system which they're both titanium, but one's just like the GP size, and one's the full length version. I've looked at Brock's. Van Diemen makes a exhaust. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna go with. So see, then we're probably gonna do some velocity stacks, and I'm gonna take the bike to more Mafia and have him throw the bike on the dyno this time, instead of getting instead of mailing the ECU in and all. So I can make a video of that, and maybe he'll make a video of it too, and maybe he can shout us out. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna do some ceramic wheel bearings to it, hopefully get it to roll in a lot easier. I'm not for sure exactly what all we're gonna do. I know the exhaust and the tune, the fairings, you know, all of that good stuff. So yeah, everybody that I ride with is really just on a 600. Everybody around where I live really just has 600, so I don't need nothing crazy fast. So we just do a little roll racing here and there. So I would like to have it set up for roll racing, maybe, you know, get it pretty quick. So yeah, that's the plan for now. I'm not sure what all we're going to do. So yeah, and I'll drop some pictures, and maybe I think I've got a video of the bike.
Well, bring your bike over here a little bit. Everybody's leaving.
Just so y'all guys can see the damage. It's not too bad. I've got it, as of right now, I have all the plastics pulled off of it. I'm gonna need new headlights, and then I'm gonna go on ahead and replace the airbox while I've got it apart. The airbox is getting replaced. Yeah, so it's gonna be a slow process, but I will keep you guys up to date on everything. And yeah, I will bring you guys along for the adventure. So yeah, like I say, I'll drop some pictures, maybe a video of the damages on the bike at some point in this video, probably at the very end. And yeah, if anybody wants to chip in with helping fix the bike, you can go on my TikTok. I'll have my Cash App link down in the description if anybody wants to help. And if anybody does want to help, I will get y'all to send, I will get y'all to sign your name on a piece of paper and send me a picture of it. And I will make stickers of it and put it on the windshield, on the new fairings. And that way all of you guys that support me and help me throughout the process, help me along the way, support me throughout the process, you know, y'all can be a part of it. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I just kind of wanted to fill y'all in on what's going on, what's gonna happen. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one, guys. Ride safe. We'll catch y'all later.